mock test, more independent driving. You're going to do from beginning. You happy with it?
Yeah.
But you know, I will be helping you or prompt you if you make some mistakes, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go. Once you're ready, move on. End of the road. Turn right, please. Good. Excellent. See, your calmness is excellent today. And it was last test wasn't yesterday. It was the day before yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. The calmness is brought a huge change of your driving. Huge change. Traffic light junction, turn left, please. Did you miss something?
I'll check the mirrors.
Did you check it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, I trust you. What happens if you don't check the left mirror again?
You don't know if anyone's on the left side.
Yeah. It's a vital, isn't it? And who are most vulnerable people again?
Cyclists.
Cyclists.
Scooters and stuff like that.
Yeah, and their quality is?
Just don't care.
Yes. Just go. Innit?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We don't want to be like that. Follow the road ahead, please. Watch what's happening. So now, tell me what exactly happened here.
Yeah, we took me.
So, which way your car was moving again?
Straight.
So when we turned left, what was the situation?
They're behind.
Let me just. I need to write down the 1224. Please. Keep following the road ahead, please. Okay, set of traffic light. We're going to turn right from there, please. Set of traffic light, we turn right. When do you apply signal?
10 car lengths.
Did you apply signal 10 car length, or do you think applied signal a bit early?
Probably very early.
Okay. Which traffic light are you looking at?
Straight ahead. Well, I can see that one, but it would normally be straight ahead as well.
Good. Excellent. Good. Set off. Well set off. Why did you do that?
Because the opposite wasn't moving.
If they wasn't, why they were not moving?
Red light.
They still have a red light, and what do we have?
Green.
Excellent. Or green what?
Arrow.
Arrow. Fantastic. What does it mean?
It means that I can go there.
You can
they
go
can't.
and everyone is red. Okay.
Yeah.
Straight ahead for you. Road speed here?
20.
signal now?
30.
It's 30 now, yeah.
Yeah.
You know the second set of traffic light?
Yeah, it's
when you
changed
leave
to
left, it
that.
changes 30.
Yeah.
Be aware, there was a big massive sign in your left side. And some people does fail in here, unfortunately, because they miss. There's no indication of 20 anymore.
Okay.
Second set of traffic light, turn left, please. It's a good thing we done this route for now. Quite a few things happening, which I talk you through shortly. Good. Please pull up somewhere safe in your left. Slow. In a test point of view, it is slightly uphill, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah.
So it would be a clever idea if you
Wait until you
yeah.
go forward.
So you don't. I know you're fine with the uphill. I know you don't have any issue, but still, I'm just saying in case. Play smartly. It's all about smartness. It's all about your think process. Okay. I know I said to you this is going to be a mock test, but talk me through how you're driving since you started from test center.
It was alright, but when I got out of the so the first turn left, there was a car coming from the same road behind us.
Mm-hmm.
He was kind of going fast, and then when I was in the process changing to gear 2, gear 3, started to speed up. He cut around me when it was a merging road, but then some car was coming towards us as well.
Car was coming towards fine. They're far away. So let's talk about what was the situation on the road ahead when you're turning left.
So the car.
Yeah, on that road.
Yeah.
Two road merging.
Yeah.
Into single as well as you're turning left.
Yeah.
The same time, all of these 2-3 things happening. Very simple thing, in it technically.
Yeah.
But you can see how hard and how dangerous it can be.
Yeah.
When did you find out the car was overtaking you?
When it was literally
Overtaking you.
Yeah.
The
merging.
time she was there.
Yeah.
No, when did you find out, or she's actually gonna overtake me? When she was, this is your car when she was here already?
Yeah.
Or did you realize when she was there?
Closer.
So when she was there.
Yeah.
But I have seen when she was there. What mirror have you missed?
Right.
Right mirror you missed completely. Why? Let's talk about mirror for now, for a second. Why it is important that junction check the right mirror?
Because anyone running the lights for
Yeah, anyone running the light. Scooty, cyclist, delivery driver, unfortunately, they can do it. The people are using a wrong number plate. You know this is happening on the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
The people who steal the fuel and stuff use a wrong number plate. So do you think the people can steal, they're going to stop a traffic light? No, innit? Right? So of course you need to be aware of right inside, make sure nobody coming. But as soon as he moved, her intention was she started drifting there. We did not even start turning into merging road. We moved and she knew that the road is merging. So her plan was before you go to single lane, she's gonna overtake you within that period. And she wasn't behind you. She was almost beside you since beginning.
Okay.